XRP Army. Sometimes I told you so just doesn't cut it. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. XRP Army, you must be feeling good today. The price of XRP went all the way up to $1.21. Guys, remember, just at 40 cents quite recently. And now we're at about a triple X. Ooh, it's getting dirty around here. But you know, the thing is, what I really want to tell you guys is smash the like button if you're in the XRP Army and you're so happy your gains are finally coming. I know you're happy, so hit that like button. But look, here's the thing, guys. Here's what I want people to understand. This is just getting started. And when I say this is just getting started with XRP, guys, this is just getting started. Now, this doesn't mean XRP is going to $20 in this bull run, okay? I've been doing a lot of analysis, a lot of looking around. I've been listening to some other folks, which, you know, I don't really take that much into consideration, but talking to Mr. X, and I'm starting to see what I believe will probably be the top in this bull run. I want you XRP Army to stick with me through the end of this, because you're going to like what I'm going to say at the end. I promise. Just at the end of what I'm about to say now. Maybe the end of the video. I don't know. We'll see. But the thing is that there's a narrative. There's a clear narrative forming out there. And the narrative is that XRP is going to go probably somewhere between $6 and $10 in this bull run. And the number I'm seeing is about $8. And I think $8 is probably about what you guys can expect from here, which is still a massive gain from here, guys. But here's the thing. I think this is what the XRP Army needs to understand. I told you guys for years, and also the XRP haters, you should understand this too. The thing is that XRP, however far it goes in this bull run, that's great. Guys, you're looking at the dawning of a new part of the financial system. And when you look at real USD, their stablecoin, and their ability to kind of play the middle between USDT and USDC. And what do I mean by that? USDT has been very clearly affirmed that the BRICS nations, China, Russia, they're leaning heavy on USDT. But the Western nations, Europe and North America, not South America anymore. They got Brazil down there in BRICS. But the point is that we are the Western countries over here, okay? And we prefer USDC, Coinbase, Circle, Goldman Sachs. It's all the same thing, USDC. But there is an alignment here that XRP is going, or not XRP, but real USD, the stablecoin from Ripple, is going to be able to stay in the middle of. And what you guys have to understand is that I don't want you guys to misunderstand what I'm saying. I'm not saying that any coin is up only, okay? And it is very dangerous in a bull market to tell people that there is potential for a certain coin to break away from the traditional bear market. But with all the stuff XRP has coming, with all the stuff Ripple has going on, with the stablecoin is so big, you guys don't even understand. One day we'll be able to really get into it, how they're going to position themselves with it, but it's going to be absolutely amazing. They have bank partnerships coming, not a security. We already have that declaration last year. The SEC, they're just going to go after some fines. But guess what else we got coming, guys? XRP, IPO one day, ETF coming. But Gary Gensler resigning, that's coming in the next, who knows, the next coming weeks, maybe. Potentially. I don't know when they usually resign, when a new president comes in, if they feel like they should resign. But when Gary Gensler steps down, this thing's going over all-time highs, I think. I think it's going to go straight to $3. I told you guys, I said, look, between now, which was 2 weeks ago, and the middle of December, this is the hot spot. This is when XRP is going to streak and going to crush against Bitcoin. And it's been doing it, okay? But the real value in this is if you forecast what this bull market is going to look like for XRP, and you forecast what the bull market is going to look like for the rest of crypto, because I tend to think it's going to be kind of a similar double top to what we had last time, but I digress. The point is that with XRP, okay, you're looking at it just getting going and firing when the bear market hits, when the banking infrastructure actually begins to adopt it, right? To use it. It's already going to be adopted, already is adopted in a lot of ways, but it's going to be more. And so if you can kind of look to the future and you can say, man, if XRP, and this is very important, there's a reason why XRP to me is the one coin that can break away, because its usage in the future is going to have nothing to do with crypto bull or bear markets. Nothing to do with it. Okay. I'm sure when the 4-year cycle comes around, XRP will go up more during that time, or maybe it won't actually. Maybe that would be what would happen, is it goes up in the bear market and then just kind of comes back to earth in the bull market. You could potentially see that, but and I'm not saying that's going to happen for sure, but what I am saying is that this is the apparatus that not just TradFi, WorldFi is about to use, okay? The transferring of wealth between nations, okay, between institutions. This is what XRP is going to be used for. That stuff only gets bigger over time. And there should be, once there are a lot of banking partners established, there should be a direct relationship between the price of XRP and how much is being used, right? So the more the banks are going to use XRP, the less XRP is going to be available, which means they're going to have to go to you to buy it at some point, or Ripple might have to come back and do some buybacks at some point. Who knows? I'm very curious to see how this is going to take off, because it has nothing to do with crypto markets, guys. Right now it is, because the investors early in it are in crypto. It's a cryptocurrency, but that's it. It's a TradFi. It's a BankFi. It's an institutional financial instrument. And so I think it's going to be really exciting to see what happens over the next months, years with XRP. I'm expecting this thing to go $6 to $8, probably, maybe $10 in the next, maybe 6 to 9 months. But I think overall, we are looking down the road at a $25, $50 XRP. I don't think it's going to go much higher than that. It might. But why don't we just get there first, then we can talk about it. All right, XRP Army, smash the like button if you are really happy with your gains today. That's all I got. Be blessed. Bye-bye.